Welcome. Are you tired of those constant Facebook pop-up notifications interrupting your day? Whether you're watching a video, reading an article, or just trying to focus, those little pop-ups can get pretty annoying. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to turn them off on your mobile device. It's super easy, and by the end, your phone will finally stay quiet when you want it to. Let's jump right into it. First, open your phone's settings. You don't need to open the Facebook app itself. Everything you need to do happens right from your phone's main settings. Next, scroll down until you find the section called Apps, or sometimes App Management, depending on what kind of phone you're using. Go ahead and tap on that. Once you're in there, you'll see a long list of all the apps installed on your device. Scroll through the list until you find Facebook, then tap it to open its settings page. Now, you'll see different options related to the Facebook app, things like storage, permissions, and battery usage. Here, you want to select Notifications. This is where the magic happens. Under Notifications, you'll see different kinds of alerts Facebook can send. Things like sound, banner, lock screen alerts, and most importantly, pop-ups. Find the pop-up notifications option and toggle it off. That's it. You've just disabled pop-up notifications for Facebook on your phone. From now on, you won't get those floating messages interrupting whatever you're doing. Don't worry, you can still receive notifications quietly in your notification bar. They just won't appear as pop-ups on your screen. And if you ever change your mind, you can turn them back on by following the same steps and toggling the switch back to on. Take a moment to enjoy the peace and quiet now that your Facebook notifications are under control. No more interruptions. No more distractions. Just a smoother, more focused mobile experience. Thanks for watching.